I thought to myself this morning, I live in London, and yet it's probably been about a decade since I've been to Greenwich. So I thought for today's photo walk, I would change that. So I've come to Greenwich looking for light and shadow because the sun is absolutely beaming down today. And I've come into what looks like a St. George's Day little reenactment, villagey type deal. And yeah, now I'm back in the olden days. So today, consider me ye old street photographer, and I'll just see what I can get while walking around. I'm going to focus on something a little bit different. I'm going to do some street portraiture, stuff like that, because as someone that don't do that very often, it can be quite overwhelming at times, going in and just photographing people up close. But with these events, it really eases you in because they expect their photo to be taken. So it's great for me. And obviously, because the sun's out, I'm right by the observatory and everything like that. So I should be able to get my typical style of photography as well. So it's going to be a bit of a mixed day, but I'm looking forward to it. So let's not waffle on. Let's go get some photography done. I'm going to try and get a portrait of this guy doing his thing, I think. Do you mind if I just get a photo of you doing your thing? Thank you, man. Cheers. Oh, that was fun. Lots of different portraits that I was able to take, and a fair few dogs as well. I do like photographing dogs. Just carrying on walking now through Greenwich, seeing what I can see, making use of this lovely light. I was wrong. It was a Tudor event. Apparently they do them quite a bit. It's not always Tudor. It's all various different reenactments and stuff like that. So, fun. Just goes to show I don't come here very often though, because it's the first time I've seen anything like that. So I quite like this scene with the light here. I'm just going to use it and hope that someone walks through the light when there's a clean background and no one walking past, to really isolate the subject against the background, because the background is quite dark and it's just this patch of light, which I really quite like. So fingers crossed I get the right subject. Right, very typical me scene now. Just the columns, the way the light's facing, the diagonal light. It's quite quiet as well, so there's a potential for a solo subject. I just need to wait for someone to walk through. I'll probably shoot a portrait and go probably f11 at a thousandth of a second is probably what I'm going to need to do, because the light's quite bright. So I'm just going to, yeah, wait and see who walks through the frame. So we're now at the Queen's House, which is just over the road from the Royal Naval College. And it's free entry, so we might as well go in. I do want someone in dark clothing walking up here, because I think the white and dark contrast will look really nice. I doubt I'm gonna get it. It looks really quiet, but if not, I've heard there's some nice stairs in there, and I do like a staircase. So pretty much shooting straight up and hoping someone will crest the top and peek over the edge. And they should be coming from right in the middle of the frame, which is nice. So there's an idea with this frame, and it's quite nice. This is just by the Queen's House, just on the outside, and you've got the light hitting the pillars here, but they're also cascading upwards, and in the back there's a building that's being hit by just pure sunlight. So you've got a nice backlit area for a subject to walk past, and then these lines on the pillars are sort of leading your eye in to that frame. So that's the idea. Whether it works or not is a different story. I'm hopeful. Right, okay, that is going to do it for today's video. Thank you for joining me. Somewhere different entirely, something different. This Tudor thing is closing up now and the sun is dipping low, so I think it's a good time to call it. I've got some good photos, I've had a lot of fun. I think what better way to end it than me meeting up with a couple of friends and having a nice pie and mash. So I'll see you in a couple of weeks for another video. Hope you enjoyed. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye. Strut your stuff, Sonny. Strut your stuff.
Yeah.
That's better, see? See all you...